Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here. This is the Jack Mason Strat-o-timer GMT. Price for this will be $999. This is a prototype, so there'll be some differences between this watch and the full production model, which we'll discuss here in a moment. So let's check it out. Oh, also this is using the new Miyota 9075 movement, which is a true GMT movement. It has the jumping hour hand. So yeah, this watch is in on loan. Feels like a nice solid watch so far. Has the, oh geez, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looks like 8, 9 link, 7 link bracelet. So yeah, let's get this plastic off of here. Oh, come on. Don't want to just rip it. Want to be able to repackage it back up here. Yeah, this looks nice. So a bi-directional bezel. See, how many clicks is that then? It's not 48. Must be like 96 then. Yeah, so anyway, whatever 4 times 12 is, I guess. Okay, so the first 500 people to purchase this watch when it becomes available, I'll leave a link in the description below to the Jack Mason website. I haven't looked it up yet online or anything. Sapphire crystal, box dome crystal. Here's a look at the movement. It definitely has the Miyota rotor shape to it. It looks like the 9015 rotor. So assembled in the USA, designed in Texas. So you have sapphire crystal, and then it looks like 200 meter water resistance there. Jack Mason does a cool thing with these case backs. They're a screwed in case back, not a screwed down case back. So the case back is always aligned in the same manner here. It's screwed in the 4 corners here. So anyway, what I was saying is with the first 500 ordered, you receive additional perks and some freebies. So you get a free FKM Tropic rubber strap, you get a limited edition handmade leather strap, and then you get 20% off, a 20% discount on all Jack Mason straps for a year, a digital printout of the original GMT sketch, and then looks like you get exclusive access to their new dive watch, which is currently in development. Yeah, this case shape kind of reminds me, I don't know what it reminds me of. Maybe the Bolova Devil Diver, maybe a Seiko Turtle. Get this rounded profile here. Brushed on top, polished on the side. Links are brushed on the side here, and then, I'm sorry, polished on the sides, brushed on the outer links, and then polished on the center links. It kind of reminds me of a Jubilee bracelet, but then it has the extra links in here, maybe more like a beads of rice. It's kind of a neat bracelet. I haven't seen a bracelet like this before. So the clasp is dual pushers. Then you have micro adjust on the side here. Looks like it's adjusted by screw pins. I don't know if this will have, I'll probably be able to remove enough links. I might have to remove them all to get them to fit on my 6.5 inch wrist. And then that's a, looks like a sapphire bezel insert as well. Okay, so the rotors will have a Jack Mason branding on it. This is a prototype here. And then the bracelets will have the clasp will have an on-the-fly adjustment system coming out. Looks like the loom on the bezel will be improved. I'm just reading off some notes here. Then I guess some of the bezels weren't fully aligned, so if the bezel alignment's a little bit off, that will be corrected. And then the bezel tolerance will be improved as well. There's a little bit of play on this, but again, it's it's a prototype, just kind of a proof of concept type thing here. Let me zoom in a little bit on the dial, so you can see the Texas star up there. I think that's a Jack Mason logo as well. You see it here on the crown. And there we go again. The name Strat-o-timer automatic GMT 200 meters. So let's test out this jump hour function here. So here I'm in hand winding position. Turning the crown backwards doesn't do anything. Let's pull it out. One click. Yeah, wow, that's cool. So see, our hand is just jumping around there. So the GMT hand you would leave at your home time. Pull the crown out again. Okay, so the date. Assuming you must change the date by jumping that hour hand. Yes. If I go backwards, what happens? So the date goes backwards too. I have not had a movement like this before, so it's cool to play with. Let me get this on rest and then we'll close out the video. Just supposed to be a quick look here, so let me zoom back out. We'll close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really appreciate it if you can subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and it really does help me out as well. So there it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. I think it looks pretty good. But my Grail watch is the Rolex Pepsi GMT. Don't know if I'll ever be able to get one or not, but so it gives me a soft spot for GMT watches. I forgot to screw the crown back in. All right, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.